Hello boys and girls, today I'm going to show you the inside of an egg. So here we have some eggs that I got from the grocery store, and you might have seen a carton like this before if you've ever been to the grocery store and bought some eggs. And we're just going to open it up and pick out an egg. And then we're just going to look at it a little bit closer. What is this outside part called? That is the eggshell. Very good. And what does the eggshell do? It protects the egg. Good job. All right, now I'm going to crack open this egg. Now that we've cracked open the egg, we can look at the inside of the egg. What would you say this yellow part is called? That yellow part in the middle, what's that called? That is the yolk. What does the yolk do? Who can tell me? The yolk provides food. What about this clear part around the yolk? What is that called? That is called the albumin. Say albumin. Good. What does the albumin do? The albumin provides food and water. Good job, boys and girls. I'm wondering, how come when I cracked open the egg, a baby chick didn't come out? What happened? See, this egg was not fertilized by a rooster, so it would never become a baby chick. It's just an egg, and that's why it was sent to the grocery store where I could buy it and use it. There you have the inside of an egg.